Next move is to go to the Supreme Court to request the court to declare the GAA because we will present, of course, the facts na una-una, balikan natin yung first na issue na lumabas, yung constitutionality ng buong budget because the Constitution is very clear. Dapat, the highest budget is the education sector. Yung output ng Bicameral Conference Committee is clear na binawasan nila ng 31 billion yung 799 billion ng education sector. At dinagdagan ng 288 billion yung DPWH. So 1.1 trillion ng DPWH, overtaken talaga. Kahit idagdag mo pa yung mga dinagdag nila, which I think nag-imbento na yon. So kahit anong engineering pa or re-engineering yung gagawin mo, mataas na talaga itong 2025. Mas mataas ang public works budget, which makes it unconstitutional. So